Hello guys, welcome back to Kodamigo. In this video, we're going to learn how we can search an item in a linked list. This is going to be the third video on linked list series. If you haven't watched the other two, I have given the link in the description box below. So now let's say that the item that we are after is 312. So if the linked list happens to be empty, then the head is going to point to null. In this case that searching is not possible, we simply can return null. Imagine that we have a couple of items in the linked list and now we need to search the item 312. The first thing that we're gonna do is that we're going to create an auxiliary reference variable and we are calling a node, and this node going to point to the very first element or very first node of the list. Now there are two reference variables, head and the node. So our next step would be to keep the node moving forward within the while loop, and while doing so we will also be comparing the search item. So now the node is pointing to 31 and we know that this is not the element we are after, so we have to set the node to node.next. Now it's time to compare again, and we found the element which is 320, and this is the end of our search. The runtime complexity of search operation is big O of n. Now let's go ahead and let me define a search method. This search method is going to accept one parameter that going to be the item that we need to search in the linked list, and this search method is going to return a boolean value, boolean flag. If we found the item in the linked list, then it's going to return true, otherwise a false value will be returned. If there's no item to search for, if the linked list is empty, we can simply return false because searching is not possible. If let's say linked list is not empty, then we're going to create this node, the auxiliary reference variable that's going to point to the very first node of the linked list, and then we are iterating over it. We have the if condition over here, and we are saying that if the data of the node is equal to the item, that means we found the item. So let's return this. And here remember that if there are no repeated or duplicate elements, this logic is going to find the first occurrence of that duplicate item. So if we found the node, then this is the end of the search. If we could not find the node, if node.data is not equal to the item, then we need to continue searching. In this case, now the node is pointing to the next node of the list, and then same thing happen again and over again until we reach till the end of the node. Then outside the while loop, if we are outside the while loop, which means that we could not find the node, in this case we have to return a false value. Alright, so let's now go ahead and test this functionality. Now I have created a linked list. If I go ahead and print the linked list, so this is how our linked list is looking like, and let's say the item that I want to search is 2. We have this search method available, and I can call this method, and this accepts only one argument that's going to be the item that we want to search. So let's go ahead and run this program again. It's saying true. Let me find something that does not exist in the linked list. So for instance, we do not have 22. If I run this application, it's going to return false. So this was our search algorithm on linked list. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like. And if you are new, please subscribe to our channel Kodamigo.